Okay, so percentage yield question on this one. Got ethanol being made from glucose. We're given the two values within the equation. So we know we're starting with 1.44 kilograms of glucose, and we get made a certain mass of ethanol at the other side. So initially, we need to calculate the number of moles of glucose. So take our 1.44 kilograms. Obviously, as usual, have to convert into grams. So we know that that's 1440 grams. Need to convert that into moles. We are given the RFM glucose, which is quite nice. So we can divide that by the RFM, which is 180. That'll give us a number of moles of glucose. That comes out as a nice round number of 8. So that's 8 moles of glucose. Now, using the equation, you see that 1 mole of glucose produces 2 moles of ethanol. So for every 8 moles of glucose that we start with, we're actually going to end up with 60 moles of ethanol. So that's in an ideal situation. We'd end up with 16 moles of ethanol. However, question obviously is telling us that we have 268 grams of ethanol. So if we convert that into moles, take the 268 grams, divide by the RFM of ethanol, which we're given again as 46. So 268 divided by the 46. That's not a nicer round number, but comes out as something in the region of 5.83 if you round it. So we know that if we've got 5.83 grams of ethanol that have actually been produced, and we should have produced 16 moles of ethanol, then the number of moles that we did produce divided by the moles that we should have produced multiplied by 100 to get into a percentage is going to give you the percentage yield of that reaction, and it comes out as 36.4%, which is the answer B as given in the list. Some of the answers obviously are quite possible half as much, twice as much, depending on whether or not you apply the 2-to-1 ratio correctly. So sometimes some of the answers look right, but are obviously incorrect.